The drone industry is buzzing with anticipation, all thanks to a mysterious new release, the DJI Neo 2. While DJI has remained tight-lipped, a series of leaks and insider reports have begun to paint an exciting picture of what could be a revolutionary step forward in drone technology. However, with all the excitement, there are still plenty of questions to be answered. In this video, we'll dive into everything we know so far about the DJI Neo 2, what could set it apart from other drones on the market, and what aspects still remain uncertain. From cutting-edge camera features to game-changing flight performance and portability, here's what we're eagerly awaiting, and what we should remain cautiously optimistic about. One of the most exciting aspects of the Neo 2 is its potential camera capabilities. Rumors suggest that this drone could be packing some serious photographic power, starting with a 1-inch image sensor that's capable of capturing 20 MP stills. This would be a significant leap from the smaller sensors found on current mainstream drones, offering improved light-gathering capabilities, better clarity, and enhanced performance in low-light conditions. If true, this could be a game-changer, especially for photographers and filmmakers who rely on their drones to capture high-quality shots during challenging lighting conditions, such as sunrise, sunset, or cloudy weather. When it comes to video, the specs are just as exciting. Leaked information suggests that the Neo 2 could support 5.4K video, providing ultra-high-definition footage, as well as smooth 4K recording at 60 frames per second. This would make the Neo 2 an ideal tool for filmmakers and content creators looking for high-end visuals on the go. Additionally, there are whispers of 10-bit D-Log color profiles, which would provide a wider range of color grading options, enhancing post-production flexibility. However, some key questions remain unanswered. Will the Neo 2 feature an adjustable aperture for better control over depth of field and brightness? And could these advanced camera features be locked behind a more premium model? These are critical details that DJI has yet to reveal, but they could make a significant difference in the drone's overall appeal. What good is a powerful camera without equally impressive flight performance? Early reports suggest that the DJI Neo 2 could offer top speeds of up to 60 miles per hour, which would make it lightning fast, ideal for tracking fast-moving subjects such as wildlife, vehicles, or sports action. This speed would give it an edge over many